Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just with a job in the workshop today in regards to power steering on this Mitsubishi Colt. This car was presented to us with an intermittent power steering issue by the customer, so sometimes it would be okay working and other times it wouldn't. It did have a check, the warning light, the ESP warning light, but that was flashing on and off and doing different things. Sometimes if you really gave the steering wheel a good shake, it would turn the light off and it would work for a while, and it was slowly deteriorating. Now on these particular racks there are a number of torque sensors or pressure sensors on the rack, and that's where the problem is on this particular model. They start to fail. You can't buy them separately. So in this particular case, we've dealt with active power steering, or one of your power steering suppliers. They do an exchange rack for this particular vehicle to eliminate that problem. So again, with these electrical assistance power steering systems that are coming out, more and more electrical functionality to it. In this particular case, those torque sensors or those pressure sensors on the rack itself start to fail, and that's what gives it that intermittent failure of the power steering. It is one of our case studies that we've got on our website, so if you're a member, make sure you're checking those out. We're adding about 20 every fortnight of our repair solutions on our website. So if you are a member, make sure you're looking at that. If you're not and you want to join up, maybe go to tap.net.au, click up the Join Up Now button and join the many other thousands of technicians, etc., sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.